A tremendous amount of churning has happened in their portfolio in the quarter gone by. But let me start with telling our viewers the fact that they mostly manage their India investments under the name of Eastbridge Capital Master Fund. CIO of this fund is Vikram Deswal, and he is primarily managing all the monies and all the investments for this particular fund. Let's take a look at the top 10 holdings of Eastbridge Capital then as on the end of the first quarter of this fiscal. There's Piramal where they hold 6.5% stake. In fact, they've also upped the stake in the quarter gone by, so that continues to be the top holding in their portfolio in terms of value, followed by likes of Fortis, wherein they hold nearly 10% stake. Federal Bank is another name that features among the top holdings. 4.1% stake is what they hold there, followed by names like Bharat Financial Inclusion, where they hold 3.3% stake. They have 4.6% stake in Jubilant Life Sciences. Shriram City Union Finance is another company where they hold 3.9% stake. There's also a couple of more names. Tata Communications is one, 2.2% stake is what they hold. Prestige Estates, 3.5% stake there, and Dilip Bilkon, close to 2% stake they're holding in this particular counter. And lastly, IDFC Limited, where they hold 2.5% stake. Now let's come to the important part where when we tell you what are the changes that they've made. They've added nearly 4% stake in Fortis in the quarter gone by. In fact, according to sources, the fact that the reason why they have hiked the stake so much is because during the AGM they wanted to have a fairly substantial standpoint, and they wanted to influence the board as well in a big way, and that's the reason why they have upped their stake so much. This is of course according to what we have picked up from the market. Apart from that, they've also added on to their existing stakes in Federal Bank, Tejas Networks, J&K Bank, Syntex Plastics, as well as Piramal Enterprises, and at the same time cutting their stake in Tata Communications. So these are some important changes that one should keep an eye out for that happen in the portfolio of Eastbridge Capital.